This is the SAMR web app presentation by video. So first we have the home page as the landing page, which contains information about the SAMR web app as well as the company VSE Digitech, which can be seen here. Next we have the contact page, which consists of contact information such as phone number, the email address, the address, as well as Google Maps location of the headquarters, as can be seen here. Next we have the main data selection app. So the data selection can be provided data in two formats. It can be uploaded or it can be scraped using the scraper. So first let me demonstrate the scraper. So once you've clicked submit, the scraper scrapes the website for the data that is required. It forms the data set and it also cleans and validates the data set, removing any redundancies such as empty fields and rows. So you can now download that data set using the download button, as I shall present right now. So as you can see in this quick preview, we have the data set that was scraped and cleaned of not having any empty fields. So next you can press go to analyzer, at which point you'll be presented with this, which is where you have to select the parameters whose optimum choice of value you want to predict using this data set. So you can choose multiple parameters. You can choose from 1 to n-1, where n is the total number of possible parameters there are. So assume that we choose job and name. So over here we provide the query form, which consists of drop down options of all possible values for the other values. So say I choose this, and we just go forward with this query form. We are then presented with the results, which consists of the answer to our optimum choice for the parameters that we gave, which is for job Deputy Director General and name Sri Rajendra C. Gautam. And we are also presented with graphical information of all the possible choices for the parameters for name and job. So over here at name we have all the possible options that can be. We also have for the option of job all the possible choices that could have been. So now let me demonstrate the data analyzer by uploading a file. So while uploading, you can only upload CSV format files. If you were to upload, say, something that is not CSV format, say a Python script, we will have an error message printed saying that only CSV format files can be entered. You can also not enter any non-empty CSV files, as the files will be checked for it, and if empty, you shall be prompted with an error message again to enter a non-empty CSV format file. So let us now move forward with a CSV format file. As with the scraper, when submitted, the backend goes to the submitted dataset, cleans it, validates it, and removes any empty fields and redundancies present in it. So after the program has processed the uploaded dataset, it then presents us with again the option to move towards the data analyzer. As with before, we must select parameters for what we want to predict. Say we choose OS and phone. We are then once again, as before, presented with a drop down of all the possible options that we can choose. As you can see, the program that we have made is agnostic to the dataset, so you can upload any dataset and it would work for anything. So as before, we have all possible drop down values. Say we choose this, choose this A and B, and I don't know, anything. We choose some values, we submit it, we are then presented with the results. The results are, as can be seen over here, with again the best possible values for the parameters that we wanted to find for. And that concludes our presentation. Thank you.